In this video, I will show you how to import products from Aliexpress. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is free. In order to do that, you just need to head over in here to your Shopify app store, and you can search in here for Aliexpress. So once you have searched in here for Aliexpress, you should be able to see in here some options that you can choose from. You can choose this Auto DS right here, Zandrop, Ali Reviews, or this DSers right here. So for this one, let's click on this DSers. And for this, let's click on this install option. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open this particular tab wherein it will redirect you in here, wherein it will ask you for access in order to install it. So what you can do is you can click on this install option. And then once you have done that, this will install this particular application to your Shopify store, and it will redirect you to the official website of DSers. So for this one, you can see this. So make sure to first log in and authorize your DSers to your Shopify address right here. Let's click on this login and authorize. And then this will open your DSers account center. So let's head over and then let me just log in for a bit. So once it's been added, you can see in here the actual homepage for DSers. So what you can do is you can click on the supplier optimizer, and in here you can enter in here the URL that you have. So for example, let's head over to any product that we want on our Aliexpress. And let's head over to in here to the Aliexpress site. And on this Aliexpress site, let's head over and choose a product that we want to actually import using DSers. So for example, for this one, let's import this earphones. Now on this earphone that we have right here, let's head over and click this particular product right here and see the preview. Now this is what it will look like. So what you can do is you can head over and then just try to copy the actual URL and then add that particular URL right here and click on the search. Now this will upload this particular image or URL and product, and it will search for that product on your Aliexpress. So you can see this right here. This is actually from Aliexpress. So just look for the particular earphones that you want to use. So for example, let's choose this first one. Let's click on this add to import list, and it will be added to that. Let's head over and stay in here, and we can add some more, like for example, this one. Let's click on this right here, and it will be added as well. Now let's head over in here to our import list, just like this one. And then in here, you can see all of the products that you have successfully imported. So you can also search for the supported platforms, which are Aliexpress. Now for this one, let's choose these two products right here. Let's click on this push to store. And then let's push this to our Shopify store. Once you have done that, click on push to store in here. And then it will push this particular products to our store. You can see in here the details of this particular pushing. Now let's just wait for this right here to finish. So as you can see, it is finished. So let's head in here to our store. Let's head over to our products. And then as you can see, this particular products right here are successfully imported to our product list. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.